Good morning, children. In previous video, you have learned about IT and ITES industry and BPO services, which show how IT and ITES is helpful in our daily life. So today I am going to start next topic, which is BPM. To understand the concept of BPM, let's start. So first of all, you should know the full form of BPM. BPM stands for Business Process Management. This term means that you have the particular knowledge how you can process your business, how you can maintain your business so you get more profit. So here, BPM industry has fueling India growth. In addition to contribute toward the country gross domestic product GDP and export, the growth of IT BPM industry had provided India with a wide range of economic and social benefits, which includes creating employ, raising income level and promoting export. It has placed India on the world map with an image of technologically advanced and knowledge-based economy. So here, by this term you understand that with the help of BPM, GDP growth is increasing and we are exporting more goods, and therefore we are placing an image overall the world for a technological advanced and knowledge based economy. So here, before this we have to study that what are the structure of ITBM industry are. So there are three types of structures in which BPM industry work. First is MNC. You all know what is MNC is. MNC stands for multinational companies. Again, you have to know the full form. It's very important. So MNC stands for multinational companies. So here, MNC have headquarters outside India but operate in multiple locations worldwide, including those in India. Yes, they cater to external client, both domestic and global. So you all know MNC, their headquarter is not in India, they are outside of India and they actually have branch in different countries. So India is also one type of country in which their branches are. So their examples are IBM, Nokia and Pepsi. You know all the types, you know this country, you are aware of these companies. So second is Indian Service Provider, ISP. Yes, ISP stands for Indian Service Provider, and it's a technical term. You have to tell me that what is it called? ISP. It's Internet Service Provider, right? So but for today it is Indian Service Provider. So ISP starts with their operations in India only. Most of these organizations have their headquarters in India while having offices in many international locations. Yes, this particular means that their headquarters are in India, that these companies are Indian based companies where we have the branches over all the countries, over all the world, but this is Indian based companies. Examples are MTNL, BSNL. You know, these are Indian companies, Indian MNCs which have the branches all over other international locations. So while having offices in many international locations, while most have a client base which is global as well as domestic. Yes, we have clients. So there we have both clients, global as well as domestic. Domestic means in India only we have client, domestic, and global means worldwide. There are some that have focused on servicing only the Indian client. This particular means that we serve only and only Indian clients, that we are Indian based company. Next, C part, Global In-House Center, which is GIC. The full form of GIC is Global In-House Center. GIC organizations cater to need of their parent company only and do not serve external client. This particular means that it only and only serve their parent company. For example, Deloitte. So next, so here session 1 is complete. So let's move on to next session, which is role of IT application in different sectors. So now we study what are the roles of IT in our different sector there, how IT is helping us, how IT makes our life more easier in different sector. So the first particular sector is IT in home computing. Home computing, you all know, right? Personal computer, everybody have their personal computer or laptop you have, on which you play games, you chat, you search the same things, you surfing so many knowledge for your studies or for their different reasons. So a personal computer PC is used to work at home, to do household account, play games again, surf the web, use email, create music and pursue a range of other hobbies. PC is also used to play games. It include action game, role-playing game, puzzles and many more. So you all know this is the basic thing which you all know and you are on daily basis you are using it, right? Second is IT in everyday life. So this shows how IT helps in everyday life. Yes, like without IT, today I think we cannot do anything. This we are totally dependent on this particular technology. So in our daily life we use washing machine, microwave, oven and many more other products using while which have embedded softwares. Embedded softwares means automatic softwares. Like in your washing, let's talk about the washing machine. There is a timer, there's a start on button. You just put that particular time. In that particular time, the washing machine wash the clothes and of course it drain also. So that is what embedded software is. Like the robots, it's kind of that. We can store all the information about our important work, appointments, schedules and list of contact in our computer. Again, daily life we also use. Computer is a major part which we use in our daily life. So next, IT in library. So how IT is affecting in library? How? Nowadays, many libraries are computerized. Each book has a barcode associated with it. This make it easier for the library to keep track on the books and availability of the specific book. Yes, in earlier days we have to sign, we have to data entry in the register, and then we issue the book. But today the simple is we just scan that barcode and it's automatically record in the computer. So this is how IT helps in library. Now IT in workplace, of course. Without computers we cannot work. Like today I'm also doing, it's a part of workplace. You are studying, it's a part of workplace. So in the office's environment, computer and computer applications are used to perform office work. In assembly line industry, where attention to detail, speed and efficiency are important. So you all know how IT work in workplace. Next is IT in entertainment. Yes, information technology has or had a major impact on the entertainment industry. Internet is major resource of entertainment. Yes, internet. Without internet, you cannot download, you cannot view anything. So with the help of internet only, you can play games, chat, you can watch movies, videos, you can communicate to one to other, you can email. So these are the part of industry. Entertainment. So here digital broadcast has changed the way we experience television with more interactive program. Yes. Next is IT in communication. Communication is used to convey message and idea, picture or speech. A person who receives this must understand clearly and correctly. Modern communication makes use of computer system. We use computer for email, chatting, FTP, telnet, video and conferencing. Yes, you all know. It's a simple word, communication. What do you mean by communication? Communication is actually to convey a message or anything, idea, pictures or speech, anything. It can be a convey in a many form, in form of SMS, in form of email, in form of pictures, in form of call. So all the things get through IT only. Next is IT in business. So how IT help in business? Computers are used in business organization for payroll calculation, budgeting, sales, analyzed, financial forecasting, managing and maintaining stocks. Yes, these all are the different parts in which IT help in business. Only in business only. These are the so many parts. So first is payroll. Payroll calculations. Payroll is something like a bigger company hire again an IT company, and on the behalf of that bigger company, that IT is paying or hiring employees. So that is payroll. Next is budgeting. You all know budgets. Sales. Yes, sales analysis. Sales means you're selling something. Sales, marketing, these are the fields in which IT plays a vital role. Financial, forecasting. Forecasting, you all know the weather is today the virus is going on. With the help of forecasting, we get to know that how many cities, how many countries are affected, the number of the patients, yes, infected patients. So that is what forecasting is. Again, forecasting is also majorly used for weather forecasting, like today is sunny or rainy or cloudy. Next is managing and managing. Yes, stock market, you all aware about stock market. So these all the help in business. So next is IT in science and engineering. What do you mean by science and engineering? Science is scientific and engineers. Yes, BTech, all the BTech students are engineer. So scientists and engineers use computer for performing complex scientific calculations, computer aid design. Yes, CAD and CAM very important. You have to know the full form of this. Computer aided management application. So these applications are used for drawing, designing and testing the design. Yes. So usually when we design a software, what engineer do? The person first is coding and second person is actually designing that how the app or the web websites look like. So that is what we call as designing. Computers are used for storing, of course, you all know it's so large amount of data, performing complex calculation. Yes, these are the things. And if we talk about science, so complex scientific applications like rocket launching, space are not possible without the computer. Exploration, yes, space exploration. IT in banking. Computer is an essential part of modern banking system today. You all know banking, without the help of IT, we cannot transfer. It's a major thing. Online transitions, the money which we get or we are depositing something. If a bank has not accept that IT technology, that the life is not easy. We have to be in so much line to deposit the money, but today we just simply transfer amount of money from one account to another, just sitting in a home or any place. So this is how IT help in banking. Next, IT help in insurance. So how IT help in insurance? Insurance company keep all the record to date with the help of computer. Of course, in their database with the help of computer, all the records are saved, and they just simply write the name or the details of that particular person, and they get all the history that how much money is spending or with the time of that maturity, interest, and lots of things which insurance company need. Many policies are also available which can be purchased. Yes, and we can also purchase that particular policies just sitting at around home and just simply click on the button on our system. Next is marketing. You all know, yes, in marketing, computers are used for advertising product by using art and graphic. Marketing is e-commerce, totally e-commerce. E-commerce, you all know, right? E-commerce is just buying and purchase online. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, these are the e-commerce sites. So you all know that just sitting at home, relaxing, we just open that Amazon or Flipkart app, just click on the button which the product we want, and we just buy that and it deliver on at our home. So that's IT help in marketing. So next is